Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cat milk replacer is probably one of the most crucial decisions a new cat parent or a rescuer can make, ensuring that orphaned kittens or those weaned too early receive the vital nutrition they need to thrive and grow into healthy, happy feline companions, mimicking the complex composition of their mother's milk to support their delicate systems during their most vulnerable stages of development. Number 5. PetAg PetLac Powder for Kittens. Give your newborn kittens the best start with our milk replacement powder. It provides complete nutrition for healthy growth and development during their crucial first 6 weeks. This formula is perfect for orphaned, rejected, or nursing kittens, offering essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It also provides a nutritional boost for older or underweight cats. Our highly palatable formula is designed for easy digestion. It contains prebiotics and probiotics to support gut health, ensuring your little ones can absorb all the nutrients they need. Preparing a feeding is simple. Mix 1 tablespoon of powder with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Opened powder can be refrigerated for up to 3 months or frozen for up to 6 months. From PetAg, a trusted leader in pet wellness. Our science-backed formulas help pet owners enhance their pets' lives for more healthy years together. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those needing a reliable powder formula. It's highly palatable and contains prebiotics and probiotics, making it easy to digest for young kittens. If you are looking for a convenient powder that supports gut health, this is a great choice. What people say. The dried formula smelled fresh and easily mixed with water with no lumps. The kittens love it, they are gaining weight, and no diarrhea. Perfect for kittens as they can't digest milk and lactose. Number 4. PetAg PetLac Liquid Milk Replacement for Kittens. Introducing PetLac Liquid, a ready-to-feed milk replacement designed for your newborn kittens. It provides essential nutrition for their proper growth and development. This formula is a perfect food source for kittens who are orphaned, rejected, nursing, or weaning. It contains a blend of milk and vegetable protein for their needs. Our product is highly palatable and easy for all breeds of kittens to digest. You can be confident it will be well tolerated. Simply shake gently and serve, no mixing required. It's ready to feed right out of the package for your convenience. From PetAg, a trusted leader in pet wellness, this science-backed formula helps enhance your pet's life. We are dedicated to promoting healthy lives together. After opening, simply refrigerate this milk replacement. The resealable packaging ensures freshness for multiple servings. What we like. For ultimate convenience, this ready-to-feed liquid formula is a lifesaver. It provides complete nutrition and is easy for kittens to digest. If you need a no-fuss milk replacer that's always ready to go, especially for orphaned or weaning kittens, this is the one. What people say. This is a wonderful product and helped my kittens so much. It is super easy to use, just shake and pour. This milk did the trick. They drank it eagerly and were satisfied and slept well after feeding time. This milk kept them healthy. Just shake the bottle and use a dropper or a petite pet-sized bottle. I found it super easy to use and a better deal than some of the canned options. This rich formula greatly helped get him back on track, properly hydrated and feeling strong and energetic quickly. The resealable cap makes this easy because there is no risk of leakage when you shake it. The pouring spout works very well, although for a nursing bottle you will still probably need a funnel. Number 3. PetAg KMR Kitten Milk Replacer Liquid. When mother's milk isn't an option, our kitten milk replacer is the scientifically formulated solution. It provides all the essential nutrition for newborns up to 6 weeks old. Our formula closely mimics mother's milk with the right balance of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. It's also fortified with vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients to support immunity and digestion. This kitten formula is highly palatable and designed for easy digestion. It includes a special fiber blend to promote gut health and ensure your kitten feels comfortable. Our liquid formula is ready to feed after gentle warming to room or body temperature. Remember to refrigerate any open container and discard after 72 hours. PetAg is dedicated to enriching the lives of animals with science-backed, high-quality products. You can trust our nutritional supplements and formulas for your beloved pets. What we like. This liquid formula is scientifically formulated to be the closest to mother's milk in terms of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. It also includes essential vitamins and minerals for healthy immunity and digestion. If you want the closest nutritional match to a mother cat's milk, this is your best bet. What people say. It offers high-quality nutrition in a very convenient form. Babies love it and it is packed with the vitamins they need. This mix was easy to use and the feral kittens loved it. Number 2. PetAg KMR Kitten Milk Replacer Liquid. When a mother cat cannot provide the necessary nourishment, our kitten milk replacer is here to help. It's scientifically formulated to be the closest alternative to mother's milk. This formula provides all the essential nutritional elements for kittens from newborn up to 6 weeks old. It closely mimics mother's milk in protein, fat, and carbohydrates. We've enriched it with vital vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients. It also includes prebiotics and probiotics to support healthy immunity and digestion. This kitten milk replacer is highly palatable and easy for your little ones to digest. It contains a special fiber blend to promote healthy gut function. It comes in a ready-to-feed liquid form, making it simple to use. Just shake gently and warm before serving for your kitten's meal. PetAg is a trusted name in pet wellness, offering science-backed formulas. We aim to enhance the lives of pets, ensuring more healthy years together. What we like. This ready-to-feed liquid option is enhanced with prebiotics and probiotics for superior gut health and immunity. It closely mimics mother's milk and comes in a convenient multi-pack. If you're looking for a formula that actively supports your kitten's immune system and digestive health, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The formula's resemblance to mother's milk is commendable. Its balanced composition ensured that the kittens received the vital nutrients crucial for their early development. The ease of preparation was another plus. It dissolved seamlessly and maintained a smooth consistency, making it hassle-free for feeding time. It played a pivotal role in their growth, fostering healthy weight gain and overall well-being. Number 1. Native Pet Organic Goat Milk for Dogs and Cats. Give your dog the energy they need with this organic goat milk. It's rich in MCTs and essential minerals, perfect for quick energy and fast recovery after play. Support your dog's muscle health and vitality. This protein-packed formula aids in faster recovery, keeping them active and strong. Keep your furry friend hydrated with this easy-to-use food topper. Simply mix it with water or sprinkle it on their food for added flavor and nutrition. Support your pet's overall health and immunity. This veterinarian-approved formula is packed with vitamins and minerals to boost vitality and reduce inflammation. Nourish your dog at every life stage. It's ideal for puppies as a milk replacer and for adult dogs as a food topper to boost energy. Crafted with 100% pure goat milk sourced and produced in the USA. You can trust its wholesome, natural ingredients, free from fillers and artificial preservatives. Make mealtime exciting for even the pickiest eaters. This delicious meal enhancer is sure to have them cleaning their bowl every time. What we like. This organic goat milk powder is a powerhouse of nutrition, rich in MCTs for quick energy and protein for muscle recovery. It's also incredibly versatile, working as a hydration booster or a delicious food topper. If you have active puppies or picky eaters that need an extra nutritional boost and hydration, this is a fantastic supplement. What people say. Love how it's dehydrated and has a longer shelf life than regular goat milk. My almost 2-year-old Pit loves this stuff more than other major name brands. She licks the bowl dry and wants more. Good product, used on 2 litters of Yorkies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.